Because most people spend money to signal to others they've got status.
Exactly.
And that means, why do you have to do that? If you were truly secure in yourself, there's no reason to do that because you're happy with who you are. You don't need validation to prove that.
Less ego, more wealth. So I think
Hmm.
that's exactly what you're trying to say now. Less ego, more wealth. So if you're not chasing the fancy car, I'm trying to avoid using brand names here. So it's fancy house and the fancy car and everything, but you are humble and staying in an average, I'm not saying you have to live in a dump, but staying in an average house and driving an average car. And then you have more money because you didn't spend that money or make debt to buy yourself that ego with a watch or the car or a. So I think you've got a good point there. In fact, saving money is the gap between your ego and your income, and wealth is what you don't see. So wealth is created by suppressing what you could buy today, in order to have more stuff or more options in the future. No matter how much you earn, you will never build wealth unless you can put a lid on how much fun you can have with your money right now, today. Gosh, it's like you read the book, Shawl. It's like,
Mm. Yeah, I think also most people, ego can cause people to go broke trying to be rich.